Did you finally get that new work from home job that you wanted, but you're not sure how to get that and that connected where you can use both monitors? Well, I'm going to show you how. BENFEI Multi-Function Laptop Stand. This is not only a laptop stand, but it's also a USB-C hub that you're going to be able to connect to this, power your laptop, and connect your monitor, webcam, everything. Let's get it unboxed. This is the BENFEI Laptop Multi-Function Stand. And as you can see, it's a nice aluminum construction. It's got padding here, here, and here, so your laptop won't slide around. It's actually got a really nice tight hinge system, so you don't have to worry about your laptop collapsing. It's a USB-C hub. So as you see here, we have 4 USB-A 3.0 ports, which are high-speed ports, USB-C in, and an HDMI port. This is going to be for power, and of course that's to power your monitor. This is the power cord you're going to need so you can actually power and charge your laptop. On the bottom, it's also got a really nice thick anti-slip pad, so you don't have to worry about this scooting around on your desk. Let me show you how you get this connected to that, connected to that, connected to that, all with one device. Okay, so I have power here. That gets plugged in here. That power powers the dock. That way you can power your laptop. I take my HDMI cable here, which goes to that monitor, and we're gonna plug it in here. And you see it already sees that it's getting power from the dock. Set our laptop here. I'm also gonna take the USB cable from my webcam, and we're gonna plug it in here in the front, like so. So then I have 3 more ports that I can add keyboard, an external mouse, or any other USB device that you need, like maybe an external hard drive or anything like that. So now we're going to take power cord from the dock, plug it into the laptop, and there you have it. As soon as I lift the lid on my laptop, it's going to power that monitor on, and then we're going to test the monitor and we're going to test the webcam. And there you go. We have my laptop screen and we have my external monitor, and I can move my mouse between the two, no problem. Let's open up a browser here and I'll show you how you can now take this screen and you can drag it over. And there you go. Now let's test the webcam. Let's open up OBS Studio, and there you have it. Hi, it's coming from that webcam on my laptop connected here to the dock. That's awesome. So if you want an all-in-one solution for your laptop and your work from home environment to connect your external monitor and a webcam and a keyboard and mouse, look no further than BENFEI all-in-one USB-C dock for your laptop. Amazing product, gives you lots of versatility, lots of connectivity options. Go get you one today. Links in the description.